Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must start by confirming you own the device or have explicit permission. Do not attempt anything else. Once done, understand why. Incognito mode prevents the browser from saving history locally, so there is nothing to recover inside the session. Next, make sure you have access to the device account or the router admin. Those are legitimate entry points for checking activity logs or synced data. If you lack authority, stop and ask for consent before proceeding. Now you focus on where activity can legitimately appear. You can inspect downloads, saved bookmarks, and autofill entries on the device. These often remain after an incognito session and explain why something was accessed. Once done, check whether the browser is linked to a synced account where history might be stored. Access that only with consent. Make sure to use router or parental control logs only if you administer the network or have the account holder's permission, since those show domain-level access. Finish by choosing the correct, lawful path if you need definitive records. If you are authorized and require deeper recovery, get legal process or professional forensic help. They can analyze system and network logs beyond casual access. Once done, set up monitoring or parental controls with explicit consent to capture future activity. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by confirming device clocks and time ranges, verifying sync is active, and double-checking you have admin rights. Those small mismatches often block expected results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.